I use AI for my writing. Bard told me to change the headline. The bot suggested I leverage AI for my writing. But I'm a stubborn one, so I stuck with the initial idea. Because it might just hit a nerve. Who does she think she is? She writes with AI? Block. Immediately block. In marketing, they say that bad advertisement is still advertisement, and most of the time, it comes for free. Two birds, one stone. I'll take the shot. I use AI to improve my writing. I use it because it allows me to learn and become better at my craft. In essence, it combines all the tools I deployed before ChatGPT became a thing. Do you mean to tell me I was a cheater before AI even came to be? Perhaps, if that's how you want to see it. If you can't read the full article, please click here. Working smart means using the tools available at our disposal. Years ago, that meant going to the library. My mom used to spend hours doing her research. At that time, internet was not a commodity one could easily access. A library card was. Chances are your resources also depended on where you lived. Small town? The basics. Proper city? You'll have some decent resources. A major metropolis, or even better, the capital? Ding ding ding, we've got a winner. Subscribe and like my YouTube channel @ALWorldH7. Upcoming latest video.